It's been a long time since I posted a video because I've been going fishing, but I haven't been catching anything. And the last few times I caught something, my camera crapped out, so I didn't catch any of it. But now I'm gonna go to this little spot that I know holds fish from diving on it a little bit. Not diving, just snorkeling on it. It's close to another spot that's really nice for people to go out, and a lot of people paddle board around that area and kayak around that area, and there's like a little lake around that area. So it's really shallow. There's only a very narrow canal to get to that lake, so I don't like going into that lake, especially if it's low tide. But like I said, nearby there's like this really big, I don't know what it is. It's like a bridge or some kind of concrete block structured thing. But it's big and it's sunken in a little bit, so it's inside of a hole. And it's really close to shore and it holds a lot of fish. So maybe we can catch us a really big mangrove snapper that we can take home and make into a sandwich or something. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's just bait bubbling all over the place. So straight up ahead, this is Fisher Island out here, the richest zip code in the United States. And I guess because it's I was gonna say it's funny that it's the richest zip codes because it's only apartments, but I guess per capita it makes sense that there are only apartments. Oh, I got a fish already. No, I got some bites, but no fish. Ah, there, got him. Oh, that's a good one. Stuck in my anchor. Fishy. Don't be a Bermuda chub. Don't get stuck in my anchor. Don't do any of those things that bad fishes do. Ooh, what is that? A mangrove snapper? I think it looks big enough. Nope. Oh, it's some kind of grouper. Oh, wow. Never caught a grouper in my life. Of course, I think this guy's too small anyway. Whoa. Oh, got it. Got him. Oh man, he's going right to my anchor. I can lift him off of it. Oh, another lane snapper, something snapper. Okay. Stingray. Oh, it kind of feels like a stingray now. No, bring this over. This is very heavy. Hope it's not a stingray. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, nice. Oh. This is another grouper, not big enough again, but oh, nice. Oh, this is another grouper, not big enough again, but are out of season.
Okay.
It doesn't matter because it's too small. 13.5 inches. And grouper. Yeah, it's. Oh, this is a yellowtail snapper.
But it's small, huh?
Yeah, too small, 12 inches again. But this is, we can eat this. Ah, ah. Mangrove snapper. No, this is a grunt.
Where are all the adults? Not watching their babies?
Yeah. Seems like a little tiny guy. Oh, puffer fish.